Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best car brakes in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Bosch QuietCast Premium Disc Brake Rotor. These brake rotors are developed out of a bimetal aluminum and zinc coating. This increases their lifespan, makes them more durable, and enhances the look of your vehicle. Each operates smoothly and efficiently and features no pedal pulsation at all. Plus, they are quiet and reduce vibrations. One of the best features of these brake rotors is they have a homogeneous heat flow. This means they cool quickly and come with a superior heat dissipation to not overheat under pressure. They reduce your stopping time when braking quickly or slowly. ABS sensor rings are included in their construction. There are a few things about these brake rotors that you should be aware of. One drawback is they can rust over time due to their design. The zinc coating may not last all that long and may rub off after the first few uses. This brake rotor is also quite heavy at almost 14 pounds, so it may be awkward to install by yourself. Number 2. Our second best pick is ACDelco Advantage Ceramic Rear Disc Brake Pad Set. These brake pads provide reliable, safe, and efficient stopping power. One of the greatest things about them is they are ready to install right out of the box and require no machining or curing. Plus, their shims, chamfers, and slots help provide smooth braking while reducing vibration and noise. You won't have to worry about finding what vehicles they fit on, as these pads are capable of fitting on a broad range of vehicles including cars, trucks, and SUVs. You can also install them yourself as they are easy and fast to attach. They also produce little to no visible dust and provide quiet operation. As far as negatives or downsides go, you may notice a bit of sound or whining if you drive them in warmer or hot climates. They may also fit tightly onto your brakes, but a little grease will go a long way. They also may not come with replacement clips or all the hardware required. Number 3. Our third best pick is KFE Ultra Quiet Premium Ceramic Front Brake Pad Set. This is a solid pair of front brake pads that will fit on various Nissan and Infiniti vehicles. They feature dual rubber shims that reduce vibration noise, and the thermo-scorched manufacturing process reduces break-in time. They also come with slots and chamfered edges that increase brake bite, extend pad life, and help to reduce noise. When it comes to braking, you want the best brakes you can find to stop when you need to, and its front brake pads do the trick. The manufacturer provides a no-hassle limited warranty. Plus, the price is vastly reduced when it comes to other brands and brake pads on the market, and they are made out of a reliable ceramic material. You will find a few not-so-great things about these brake pads, though. For one, the brakes may tend to squeak on some vehicle models. Plus, if you want to install them yourself, you have to order brake hardware separately to install these pads. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Detroit Axle Brake Replacement Kit for Nissan Altima. This very specific brake replacement kit from Detroit Axle is just what Nissan Altima owners need. It works for Altima models from 2013 through 2017. For the 2013 models specifically, they must be the sedans. The drilled and slotted disc brake rotors provide better braking power overall. The ceramic brake pads help to preserve the life and quality of your new brakes. Even though this is specific for Nissan Altimas, it is still a good idea to double-check your car to be certain it will fit. These make noises after installation, and they are not of the strongest quality that you might expect. For the price, though, and the customization for the Altima, these are worth looking into. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is PowerStop Autospecialty Replacement Brake Kit. This brake kit has everything you need to have top-quality car brakes. It includes stainless steel installation hardware and ceramic brake lubricant. It has OE-style replacement rotors that are balanced to ensure your ride is smooth and comfortable. The shims insulate noise for braking that is as quiet as possible. This kit is fairly affordable compared to others on the market. They are designed to be dust-free, boosting the performance of your brakes throughout their lifespan. This brake kit, obviously, only fits certain types of vehicles. PowerStop provides an extensive list on their product page, as well as details, so you can be certain it is the right product for your vehicle. There are a small handful of reports of the package arriving incomplete, but customer service at PowerStop seems to be responsive to these issues. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.